Hi friends, get ready with me. Don't forget to shop my small business. I do have beautiful makeup, spa, headband. I often like to start with the moisturizer. I am using the Pump Plum and the eye cream from Good Molecules. I've been loving this pre-makeup skincare. I then go in with the primer. This one specifically is from Tatcha. I love it so much because it hides my pores very well. And then to top the Tatcha primer, I go in with the pore primer from Putty Primer, from e.l.f. actually, and put it all over my nose. I have everything linked in my Amazon favorites, link in bio. For foundation, I'm going into the NARS foundation in the shade Valencia. I love this foundation so much because it hides everything seamlessly. I then like to blend with my makeup blending sponges that I do have available. I go in with my concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. That is amazing. It looks so cute on. And definitely go back to the blender and blend until your hand hurts, girl. For cream bronzer, I'm going into this Color Pop that I love so much. And then I blend it with an e.l.f. brush. I make sure to blend everything very nice. Blend. Don't get tired of blending. I now like to set my liquids with any makeup setting spray that you might have available. I prefer the MAC FixPlus. While that's still wet, I like to come in with the blender and blend everything. I now come in with the velour powder puff that I do have available in my small business, and then add my favorite pressed powder. I then go bronzing all over my face. I love bronzer a lot. I enjoy it all year long. I go ham with it all over. Now going into brow pomade from ABH. I do love my 2016 brows. I do have my brows microbladed as well, so this method works for me good. I then go in with the concealer and make sure I clean out my brows all over, bottom and top. Make sure I blend out the concealer so that I can have a seamless shadow. My canvas basically ready for eyeshadow. I am going into this 9 shade MAC palette that I really have been enjoying. I like to start with the softest shade in the palette, in this case a soft brown, and then come in with some glitter, a shadow with a little bit of glitter. You can definitely reach out for a brush, but I like to dab it in and blend it with my finger. I feel like it comes out better. Now I'm gonna go in with the same shadow and then add it with a brush and slowly start blending it in, slowly all over my eyelid. I'm curling my eyelashes that I do also have available so that I can come in with falsies. I add mascara. For my lashes, I did choose Sweet from my lash collection that I also do have available on my small business. Now I'm going with the lip liner from MAC as well as the lipstick. For my blush, because I want to tone it down a little bit, I am going into this beautiful blush from Hourglass and then adding it all over my cheeks, my nose. And yeah, friends, bye friends. Follow me on my social media, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye friends. Enjoy the pictures.